Hey everyone, again this is Gotcha Brew and welcome back to my channel. So today is January 8 and pupunta tayo sa Geely North EDSA as we have an appointment scheduled to have our steering gearbox replaced. So na-report ko to last time nung nagpa-PMS ako noong October for the third PMS. And matagal ko na kasi napapansin na may knocking sound, yung tok 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 or yun nga, lagutok dun sa aking steering wheel, no? Whenever I drive on slow speeds, kahit na kahit na pantay yung daan or smooth yung daan, walang lubak, yan, meron pa ring knocking sound. So right now, we have it appointment and have it replaced under the warranty. So na-report ko siya, yun nga, October 8. And then I was contacted by December na available na daw yung parts to have it installed on my car. And right now, ngayon lang tayo nakapag-set na appointment, which is January. So medyo mabilis yung turnaround time ni Geely North EDSA sa pag-acquire or pag-procure ng parts, no? So it's a good point for Geely. Kudos to that. So sabi sa akin, nung tumawag sila sa akin to set up the appointment, it will take like around 2 to 3 days for the process to be completed para mapalitan yung ating steering gearbox. So yeah, we'll see kung what will happen if talagang aabot ba ng 2 to 3 days lang yung replacement. So tara, samahan niyo ako as we go on and go to Geely North EDSA. So right now it's almost 8:30, 8:23 to be exact, and maganda ang traffic dito sa EDSA right now. Very light in traffic, so hopefully maka-arrive tayo on time, which is 8:30 for our appointment. Alright guys, so we have now arrived here at Geely North EDSA. So abot tayo, time check, it's 8:27 PM. Tingnan natin kung ma-assist agad tayo ng service advisor once we have logged in and provided our documents. Yan, medyo marami lang kotseng nandito pa lang sa entrance. Hi sir, good morning.
Ano po ipagawa?
Steering gearbox replacement. Under warranty naman po.
T911. Dali, padala na lang ng booklet sir, tapos yung susi ibigay sa akin, pakisara na lang to. Kami
Okay.
na pala magpasok sa loob.
Magpasok sir. Okay, thank you.
Ayun.
Kahit ko na lang sir. So ayan mga bro, andito na tayo sa window ng customer service advisor. Bali kinukuha niya lang yung part number para ililista yata dun sa appointment schedule, and then after that we're just going to check and ask how long would it really take kasi kailangan nating gamitin yung sasakyan by Friday night. So yun, I'll just give you an update guys once it's done. So yun guys, tapos na tayong kausapin ng service advisor. As he confirmed nga, it will only take 2 to 3 days for the process to be completed in replacing the steering gearbox. So all in all, wala naman tayong babayaran since under nga siya ng warranty. And then sabi niya, kung mapapaga, most probably tomorrow ng hapon, tapos na yung process ng replacement. So yun lang guys, and then ito nga pala yung cost ng steering gearbox assembly. Though yun nga, wala tayong babayaran since under naman siya ng warranty. So ngayon, ayan, mag-enjoy muna tayo ng kape dito sa Gili North EDSA while we wait for the malls to open. So mga 1 hour, and then off we go. We go home na. Alright, so yun lang guys. I'll update you once we have or once na nakuha na natin yung ating Gili Emgrand and na-replace na yung steering gearbox. So probably by tomorrow, the soonest, or latest would be on Thursday or Friday. Yun